We're trying to get Shelley and Myron Sutton elected because they have pledged to be against right to work for less in this state, and unless we continue to keep our majority in the House of Representatives, they will pass right to work in the state of Indiana.
Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun.
I'm State Representative Shelley Vandenberg, and I'm running for re-election in District 19. It's important to be out here because the union members need to know that we're behind them. And what better time than the pouring rain to be out here to show our dedication to them.
In the rain, I've a smile on my face.
It's been really exciting. We've had a lot of support. We've had a lot of members going door to door, talking to other members of union members. We've had people calling and phone banking for us, and they're spreading the word every chance they get. It's really been inspiring.